try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before.
Drugs.
You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the
I do this for you.
everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of the time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to take on. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust
warriors has vanished in a blinding flash of light, having made the ultimate sacrifice for the sake of his loved ones. His name was Vegeta, a proud Saiyan.